Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not trip ORB. This is a crucial step for the reset process. Next, find the trip reset button on your dashboard. You'll need to press and hold this button for the next step. Now, with the ignition on and the odometer showing total mileage, press and hold the trip reset button. Keep holding it down. While still holding the button, turn your ignition key to the off position. Then, immediately turn the key back to the on position, all while continuously holding that trip reset button. You should see the maintenance light begin to flash. Keep holding the trip reset button. The maintenance light will flash for a few seconds, then it should completely disappear. Once the light is off, you can release the trip reset button. Now, go ahead and start your engine. The maintenance light should remain off, indicating a successful reset. If it comes back on, you might need to repeat the process carefully. If the maintenance light reappears or doesn't reset on your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the steps, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. For more detailed information specific to your vehicle, always refer to your owner's manual. And hey, for an amazing way to keep your home clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.